Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and in this video I'm going to be going over some updates by our CEO, RJ Galbraith, for Webtalk, and I'm going to discuss how you can make money with this app in 2022 as well. And so the first changes they're going to be making is, so Webtalk is currently reselling ads for Google at a pay rate of averaging 17 cents per CPM. So what they're going to do is they're going to be launching pages for business, brands, and entertainers. That includes our own self-service platform, Webtalk Ads, for our users to sponsor posts and run banner ad campaigns throughout Webtalk as well. Okay, at scale, we estimate the amount of ad revenue per user that we will generate could increase by up to 100 times upon launching our self-service ad platform. Okay, so that is going to increase the ad revenue in the ad pool, and then in return, that's going to increase how much we could make by just simply posting on this website, on this platform. All right, so I'm going to show you what I've done so far on my side. Let me go ahead and click on my timeline. Okay, so I post YouTube videos up here. So as you can see, I'm getting views and a lot of attention here. All right, so we're gonna go to my results so far on how much I've made with the platform. This is just from posting every day online, and also you could also now get paid for watching these little about 5-second videos as well. And so far this month I've made $3.72. Last month I made $40.68, but some of that was from my pro commissions, people who upgraded under me. Okay, I'm going to be going over that as well too. My activity rewards points, 24,000 points so far this month, and it's only the 21st. And then last month was 11,000 points. My activity rewards points here. So far, I've referred 372 members to Webtalk. And this month, 14 members have joined. And last month, at this point, between the 1st and the 29th, let me go back to it here. Let me see. Between the 1st and the 21st was 14 people, and then last month at that point was 29 people. And people who upgraded so far, four pro referral upgrades, and 50 affiliates under me so far, and then the sign-up bonus was $295. All right, so keep in mind all $5 referral sign-up bonuses are paid upon your affiliate referral receiving their first payment of $100 or more. Now, if you are interested in joining, you could join for free. And if you join under me, you will get a landing page for free as a bonus, and that does come with a 7-day follow-up. All right. Now, if you're interested in joining, go ahead and click the link below. And thanks once again for tuning in, and see you on the flip side.